We just did a surrogate balance for Tiffany. And what we thought we would do, because what I always do at the end of a balance, because I've still got it all stacked in, is say, so this is still Tiffany's energy at the moment. This is a new program for this body now and in the future. The old program for this body is no longer necessary now and in the future. Then I do a little tap to the head and the heart. And the funny thing that one of my prackies many, many years ago said, hallelujah and amen. Anyway, which I just thought was cute, but it's saying, okay, brain, okay, heart, this is what we've done for you today. Okay, so now I'm going to just sort of show you, I am now 100, no. So
Which way do you want to do it?
Yeah, so we haven't actually put him back to himself yet. So we just want to show you that the energy is different depending on what I have asked the body energetically to do. So at the moment, my name is Tiffany. Hold. My name is Blaze. Hold. And it's an unlock because we're still in Tiffany's energy.
Now, I'm also a bloke.
You are a bloke, but that doesn't matter when surrogacy is going on. It doesn't matter in the least.
Well, I'm saying, like, it's another binary
okay,
yes,
okay.
no. Well, you don't want to say that.
I don't want to insult anyone here, but let me ask in relation to Tiffany. I am a woman. Hold. I am a man. Hold. So energetically, the body knows when we're in someone else's energy. Now, I don't know whether it's because I've got 20 years of belief doing this, but I've been doing this for a long, long time, and I just consistently get these energy shifts when I'm doing surrogate balance. So I just thought, yeah. So now, in order to make him back to himself, something Sanu used to say is, I gladly receive any healings from this balance that are beneficial for me. I gladly receive any healings from this balance that are beneficial for me. And now say, I am 100% Blaze.
I am 100% Blaze.
And hold. Hold out. Hold in. I am a woman. Hold. I am a man. Hold. Yeah.
Yeah. There you
So
go.
that's
Energy switch.
So that's how I sort of switch the energy in and out. And I often, especially when I've got clients and I'm not videoing it, I often do a few little tests just to make sure I'm in. Because sometimes it doesn't happen immediately. I have to actually do like a bit of a healing or a balance just to get someone into the energy of someone else, especially if there's a bit of a trauma that's linking the two that the nervous system might not want to go towards. Or so anyway, just thought we'd show you that as we were putting Blaze back to himself. Okay, thanks everyone.